millions of people make up the Waze community. And every day, we edit, translate, and maintain a living map of all the roads we travel, helping each other get to where we need to go. The Waze community fine-tunes every mile, bringing people together faster, getting there safer, helping each other stay connected.
Waze is installing more than 400 beacons on Lower Wacker Drive and other roads.
And keeping our loved ones close.
Time to make a U-turn, Dad.
In times of trouble, we steer our neighbors to safety. And we bring help sooner. We partner as citizens and local governments around the world to find solutions, like reducing traffic, keeping the air cleaner, finding fuel, and patching up roads. We even bring some of our favorites along for the ride. And we come together as friends, neighbors, and co-workers to make the road more open. Every day, our community makes a lot happen. And every year, we will do more together.